Today we're going to be at the Art Fest at Lakewood Park. There are lots of entertainment like a bouncy house, vendor booths, and there's also a painting contest where you display a painting picture and then they'll announce the first, second and third place painting. We also participated in the contest. There were so many beautiful paintings. I'm going to show you all the paintings one by one.
Okay. Alright. Can you go to your picture and write your name on the back, on the wooden part that goes around on the back? Or on the front, on the canvas.
Now we're going to see all the stores and activity areas. They were selling paintings. There was a science mill. There were activities for kids to paint and lots of other things.
Hey, Chloe. There are robots that follow the lines. Okay, so the way when you draw the lines, here are your do's. You're gonna do that. Remember, these are your don'ts. Okay, your don'ts are anything with the red X. Your check marks that are green.
Almost everything there had to do something with paintings. I'll show you everything one by one.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yeah, but she was just saying, so I think she wanted
Got segments, yeah.
I think she's thinking that it is a lot of different fountains, so there's not. Okay, I will tell her if that's too complicated because.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
Bouncy house. There were so many kids waiting in line to jump. They only allowed 5 kids inside at a time. The bouncy house seemed small from the outside, but inside it was very big.
We did offices over in Berlin, Germany. The culture there is it's a lot more regimented. It's a lot more hierarchical. It's like you get your.
People were drawing pictures with chalk on the sidewalks. artist gave us toys and we had to paint the picture of the toys and take both the toys and the painting home.
And fish around, and then you get whatever you
I
want.
chose a fish and I painted a picture of it too. I'm drawing my fish.
Okay, let's try then.
Oh no, she said she forgot the ears.
Oh, you want to make an ear? No. You can do that. It's
Where's your squishmallow? Oh, there it
You
is.
want to take a picture of her?
At the end, now I'm going to do rock painting.
Yeah, the rock snake. See all the rocks?
Hindi di kita alam.
You can add to your rock.
Vishu.
What three colors do you want?
In the evening, they announced the 3 winners. I won 3rd place. I hope you all enjoyed the art fest too. Thanks for watching. Bye.